Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, doing a flip through today of my new pastel labels from days gone by. So if you're not familiar with this series, there is a Labels from Days Gone By Volume 1 and Volume 2 that are in neutral. And then there's a Labels from Days Gone By, one in red, one in blue, and one in green. And they're like the darker colors. And now there's 3 more, and they are in pastel colors. So we have blue and green is one kit. Then we have purples and yellows is another. And then turquoise and pink, which is my favorite, as another. So lots of colors to pick from. Now what I did is I selected some of my favorites from Volume 1 and Volume 2 and just added pastel colors to them. So they are some of the same labels you'll find in both those kits, in these just in pastel. And what I'll do is I will break the flip throughs here up into chapters. So if you're only interested in one, just take a look in the description box below and you'll find A, the links to all of these in my Etsy shop, and B, you'll see the chapters and you can just click on the spot you want to start watching in the video. And with that being said, we'll start the flip through. There are 7 pages of large labels, and then there's 7 more pages of the same labels, but in medium and small. And so those are just your bonuses. So we have green page 1, and then we have green page 1B. And so all of the medium and smaller sizes will be have a B there. So 1 and 1B. We have 2 and 2B. Super pretty colors. I tried to get lots of the tones of different shades of greens and all the different colors that they're in. So they should go with pretty much any project in which you want a soft green label. Absolutely love them. I have some that are just my all-time favorites. It was really hard to pick which ones I liked the most. I had to leave quite a few out just because, you know, it's already a million pages. Didn't want to make it any bigger. Oh, I just love these ones. That one, and this one. They're just so grungy and very vintage looking. Now, these are all made with authentic ephemera. So it's bits and pieces of authentic ephemera that I've turned into a label. That one, 6B. I love that the larger sizes are big enough that they make cute little tuck spots. You can put tickets and just little bits and pieces of ephemera in there. There's a couple of blank labels so you can do your own stamping. That's 7B. So that was the first 14 pages, 7 large pages of large labels, and then 7 of the medium and small. Now we're going to do the exact same thing, but in this pretty pastel blue. So we have 1 and 1B. Super pretty. I love that book label. And these two, that one. Just so pretty. Yeah, I had fun designing them. 3B. So I've just got lots of vintage images and text and script and different fonts, numbers and dates, all kinds of labels. And 5B, 6. Oh, I got that in the wrong order. This is page 6. And 6B. 7. Love these and this label. And 7B. So those are your, in total, 28 pages of the blue and green pastel labels from Days Gone By. You can find the link below in the description box. Now we move into purple and yellow pastel labels from days gone by. The exact same thing as the first ones, 7 pages in each color of the large labels, and then 7 in each color of the labels in a medium and a smaller size, which are just purely bonuses. So you don't have to fiddle with trying to get the right size. You'll have everything you need. Doesn't matter what project you're working on, every size here in different shades. So easy peasy. So we have this beautiful purple. I just really love the purples. I think they're one of my favorites. 2B, 3. I love that date. 3B. Yeah, so I tried to add colors, purple that was a little bit more winey, sort of looking with more red in them. And then the cooler purples, and then the purples with slight blue tinge. Kind of tried to get a little bit of everything. Page 6. Love that label. Having issues. 6B. 7. Love these. And that one. And 7B. It was actually Margreth over at 7 Plaza that asked me to do them in the pastel colors. So I did them for her. And for you guys, obviously, as well. But yes, thank you, Margreth, for the suggestion. They're beautiful. So as you can see, we're now into the yellows. I just really love that. It's so pretty. We have 1 and 1B, 2, 2B, same labels as the purple ones, just yellow. Lots of little labels for you to do your own stamping, which is always fun. I love this ice cream one. Some of them I have the brown around them, and then some are more black, which is nice too. A little variety. I love this number here too. That was 5, and this is 5B. And we have 6 and 6B. 7, which is one of my favorite pages. Absolutely. Love these. And then, of course, 7B. So that is the 14 pages in the yellow. So we have 14 pages in yellow, 14 pages in blue, for a total of 28 pages for purple and yellow pastel labels from days gone by. You can find the link below for it in my Etsy shop. And now we'll move on to turquoise and pink. Turquoise and pink pastel labels from days gone by. This, out of all of them, I mean, I really love the purple. I really love the blues and greens, but I think the turquoise and pink is my favorite kit, especially together. Yeah, just super, super pretty. So the exact same thing. There'll be 7 pages of large labels in the turquoise, and then the next 7 will be them in medium and small. And then the exact same thing for the pink. Same labels, just different colors. So 28 pages in total. So we have page 1 and then 1B. All the B's are the smaller sizes of labels. So we would have page 2. And then here they are in a smaller size, medium and small. And sometimes if there's room on the page, I even make a tiny one. The colors are so pretty in this one. Really love them a lot. Tried to get lots of different tones, some more with blues, some more with greens. Some are a little darker than others. And 4B. Love these. Yeah. I love that they're so grungy as well. Really pretty. We have 6 and 6B. We have my favorite page and my favorite page B. Pink. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love them so much. Love this book label. Yeah, just very pretty. And the smaller sizes. Yes, I think pink is my absolute favorite. Oh, they just turned out so good. We have 3, 3B, 4, all kinds of little bits of interesting pieces of ephemera. Oops. Page 6. 6B. And then my favorite page, also known as Pink 7 and Pink 7B. So there are the 28 pages and in the pink and the turquoise. So the link can be found below in the description box for all 3 kits. And if you're interested in the originals, volume 1, volume 2, red, blue, green ones, you will find all the links for them down below in the description box, along with their link for a flip through. So I hope you guys like them. Thanks for watching. Bye.